This video will describe the top-ranked stocks page. In the Simply Investing platform, there are 5 types of subscriptions available to you. This video will use the US and Canadian account to demonstrate the top-ranked stocks page. Each time you log into the Simply Investing platform, you will arrive at the top-ranked page you see here. You can always come back to this page by clicking on Top Ranked here in the side menu, or by clicking on the Simply Investing logo here. Top-ranked stocks are dividend-paying stocks that are of the highest quality and undervalued, meaning they are priced low based on their 20-year historical data. These stocks achieve a maximum grade of 10 out of 10 in the Simply Investing criteria. In the long term, these stocks have the highest potential for capital appreciation and dividend growth. By default, stocks are ordered from highest dividend growth to the lowest dividend growth. Start with companies that have a history of many years of consecutive dividend increases. Remember, you are still responsible for applying Simply Investing rules 1 through 4 and number 12. With this account, you can select between viewing US stocks or Canadian stocks in the table. If you purchase the individual country subscription, then you will only have access to one country. On any stock table on this site, you can always click on a company name to see the company's stock data page. On that page, you will find more details about the stock, the company description, and see the stock graph and view the company's historical data. The question marks here will show you the rule definition for each of the SI criteria. And any value that fails a rule will be shown in bold, and its cell will also be highlighted. The Simply Investing platform provides you with the ability to customize exactly how you would like to see the data. You can hide columns by clicking on the red X here. You can sort columns from high to low or from low to high by clicking on the arrows that appear here. You can also drag and drop columns into different locations. By default, this table is only showing 18 columns. However, you can use filters to display and filter on more than 120 columns. And you can save your favorite filters and table views for later use. Any changes you make here are only applied to the current table. You can always click here to restore the table back to its default view. Click here to view the 12 rules of Simply Investing and the SI criteria. For more questions and answers, have a look at the FAQ section located here.